Hi everyone, welcome on board. This is Anisha here. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the top BBA colleges in India. In fact, we're going to watch the video to understand the colleges region wise, which are the best colleges for BBA, which is a undergraduate program, something which you do before your post graduation. In fact, one of the best ones to do before getting into an MBA. So let's look at all of these colleges. Let's start with understanding the top colleges in north of India. So if I talk about North India, the most peculiar space or the best space for you guys to study is going to be Delhi NCR region. So here we have a lot of good colleges like the Delhi University. There is Shahid Sukhdev College, which is a really good college when it comes to even the ROI perspective. The fees is very less and the placements have been doing really well of late for this particular college. Then you have the BML Munjal University. In fact, this is a college which is run by the Hero Group. So you get to experience a lot of corporate exposure because you're having the entire Hero Group. Imagine running the college which is there, so you have so much proximity and access to corporates, and the location as well is really good location in Noida itself. Then you have Bennett University, again doing very well. The campus is really great. You should go and visit the campus. Beautiful campus. We have Amity University. Amity has multiple branches, so the batch size in Amity is yes higher always, but you have to be on your toes to compete yourself and get that exposure and get that good peer learning. Then we have this Jindal University, which is again very famous for law per se, but even has a BBA program which can be looked up into. Now, if just to give a fair idea about how these campuses look like, you should actually go check out their websites. But this is a quick glimpse through the BML campuses. Like, you have the entire corporate look and feel coming on board. So you get to understand and learn in a very different atmosphere and a different space. It's no more like school. You're right after your 12th, leaving your school and getting into an undergraduate college which has amazing campus to, be a part of. For all of these top colleges in the north, you have various exams which you can give. Usually the exams happen in April to June, but this year due to the pandemic and the delay in the 12th results, all of these colleges admissions are I think open still now as well also. So students who are looking for this year's what to be done after 12th, go check out these campuses, their websites, and you'll be able to get a fair idea about the same. But otherwise, the exams you can look at are DUJAT, BMU SAT, DUCET, SAT, and all of the other colleges also have their own entrance exams which can be looked into. All right. Then let's move down to now go down to the South colleges. In South, you have NMIMS with its campus in Bangalore as well as Hyderabad. There is Watson University. This is a very upcoming college. I mean, all the things which people keep talking about technology is actually being implemented here. I mean, even if you're a part of the BBA, you would have access to a Bloomberg Finance Lab, robotics lab, artificial intelligence, and you get to kind of explore a lot of these things. For people who do not know what a Bloomberg Finance Lab does, check their website out. You have a campus tour. You will see that how stock trading and everything is done, and that is taught to you at such a young age. So that's really great. In fact, some glimpses of the campus if you want to check. This is how the beautiful building looks like. You have these are your labs and your sit out spaces to chill and have fun, and you get a lot of exposure to learn with also the MBA students studying in the same building and campus. So, hostel life is also good. Other universities in the south which you can look at, we have Christ University, which has been very famous in Bangalore for the BBA program. There is SRM in Chennai, Jain University again in Bangalore, and we have Manipal University. Manipal is more famously known for its engineering programs, but does have other programs as well, which you can be keeping an eye for. All right, let's go ahead and now look at West. West, the most important places which come under the West segment is your Mumbai and Pune, which are education hubs and also a good place to study when it comes to studying for your graduation courses, because you have to keep in mind certain aspects of safety and peer learning and corporate exposure and all of them as well. So for in the west we have NMIMS Mumbai, very good program, very good peer learning and amazing opportunities being located in Mumbai itself. There is Xavier's as well, again in Mumbai itself. You have Symbiosis in Pune. Flame in Pune, which has a very different program and a curriculum. In fact, this campus is absolutely beautiful. You'll fall in love with the campus if you go and visit the same. There is DY Patil, which is in Mumbai as well as Pune. And there's again Amity in Mumbai. Like I said before as well, Amity has various programs and various campus locations. When they're doing things right, you just have to be on your toes, because when there's a huge batch size, it's your responsibility also to make yourself unique and different. All right. Last, let's talk about East. East, we do not have too many very famous MBA colleges. There are more colleges pertaining to your BAF and all of those usual universities which are there, or you have your MBA programs. But otherwise, you have Xavier's and Birla Institute, which again has been doing well, right? So these are all the major top colleges for BBA if you look at. And if I just have to summarize which exams you all should be targeting and looking forward to, you should go ahead and look out. And right now also you can go and give all of these universities which I've spoken about. They have their own entrance exams. Check out those exams. People who are aspiring for next year, you have to keep in mind, you keep your eyes open for even the integrated programs, BBA plus MBA. In fact, we will be coming up with a series of the integrated BBA plus MBA programs as well, so stay tuned to the channel. And then you also look at giving impact for NMIMS, that's their own exam. Symbiosis has its own exam. Flame has its own exam. All colleges have their own exam. One common exam that they accept across all the universities is going to be SAT, which also keeps the options open for looking at universities abroad. Okay, I hope this video has been helping all the students who are after 12th standard aiming and studying for it. In fact, we also have our own channel called as Careers After 12th. Do subscribe to that channel as well to know more about the opportunities which are there for students graduating right after that 12th standard. All right, bye bye, take care.